Government signed the controversial deal giving a single company, Uganda Vinci Coffee Company Limited, which government exempted from all taxation mechanisms and losses, exclusive rights to buy, process and export coffee in the country. It later emerged that the Solicitor General, who should by law review and clear contracts and any other agreements involving government, reportedly had no idea about the deal.
A motion was moved.
Following concerns raised by members of parliament, led by Abedi Bwanika of Kimanya Kabonero, Speaker Anita directed the Committee on Trade, Tourism and Industry to probe the controversial agreement. The committee chairperson, Mwine Mpaka, said the committee is set to finish its work in 4 days starting Monday 25th April.
All the members are interested, including those MPs that are not part of the committee, and our rules of procedure permit them to also attend. So we expect a very large committee sitting. We're going to be having sittings the whole day in order to expedite the process of this report.
The committee will summon Ministry of Finance Permanent Secretary Ramadan Gobi, who witnessed the signing of the deal and has passionately defended it. Others to be summoned include Finance Minister Matia Kasaija, who signed the deal. The MPs are also planning to speak to Ministries of Agriculture and Trade officials, Attorney General, the Solicitor General, who distanced himself from the deal, members of Uganda Law Society, officials from coffee traders associations, and members of Uganda Large-Scale Farmers Association, among others. Perhaps the prime person that Ugandans will be waiting for is this woman, Enrica Pinetti, the Italian investor, this time of Uganda Vinci Coffee Company Limited, the same investor who, under Finasi Rocco Construction SPV Limited, in 2019 benefited from the 1.3 trillion shillings Lubowa International Specialized Hospital construction contract. The progress of this project is still unconfirmed to date.
So whoever we invite must appear, otherwise it will be contempt of Parliament. So under our rules of procedure, everyone must appear and they must give us all the relevant information.
Definitely yes, she should be summoned to the committee because the agreement which she signed with some government officials, it is null and void. We cannot allow to give exclusive powers to one person.
Mwine Mpaka, the committee chairperson, said they would finish their work in just 4 days and they have expectations.
We don't expect to have any external interference.
I just want to challenge the Committee of Trade because I think the big people in government have a lot of interest in this memorandum, because this is not the first time we are seeing government doing this.
This is somebody we gave 1.3 trillion to build a specialized hospital in Lubowa, and we can barely see anything. So we are wondering what is behind this woman.
And tell us also the background, why they did not consult. And also if they consulted, what is the stake of the peasant person down? Because this is where we expected that the local person should be protected.
Uganda is Africa's #1 coffee exporter despite the challenges in the beans value chain, and stakeholders are unwilling to allow possible elimination from this trade. For now, the committee is looking at 3 outcomes. Find a safe way of terminating the deal if it does not, as the chair put it, serve the interests of Ugandans. Maintain the agreement as is if it does, or amend some of its clauses, but there could be more outcomes. And the showdown begins on Monday. Edward Muhumuza, NTV.